Welcome. This is the Bird's Eye View. This is just a little short, quick update. Something important happened. The Kyle Rittenhouse verdict is in. Let's go ahead and see what they had to say.
All right, members of the jury, have you elected a foreperson? Would you give your juror number, please?
54.
54. And has the jury reached a verdict as to each count of the information?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
One verdict and one verdict only.
Yes.
Would you hand all of the paperwork to the bailiff, please?
This is the ones that you didn't know. Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. May I see that too, please, Mrs. Chairman? Thank you.
That guy looks a little nervous on the left. Hand up like this. He looks scared. He looks genuinely scared. I mean, and rightfully he should be. This is a whole life on the line.
Face the jury and hearken to its verdicts.
State of Wisconsin versus Kyle Rittenhouse. As to the first count of the information, Joseph Rosenbaum. We, the jury, find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty.
Not
As
guilty.
to the second count of the information, Richard McGinnis. We,
Richard
the jury,
McGinnis.
find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty.
Not guilty.
As to the third count of the information, unknown male. We, the jury, find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty.
Not guilty.
As to the fourth count of the information, Anthony Huber, we, the jury, find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty.
Not guilty.
As to the fifth count of the information, Gage Grosskreutz, we, the jury, find the defendant
No, it's gotta be not guilty.
Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty.
All right, so there you have it. Not
Members of the jury,
guilty
these your unanimous
on all
verdicts?
accounts.
Is
Completely
there anyone who does not
exonerated.
agree with the verdicts as read? Would you wish the jury polled? No. Okay.
Unanimous
okay, folks,
verdict.
Our job is done, and we started just about 3 weeks ago. And I told you it could last 2 weeks and 2 days. This is 2 weeks. This is 3 weeks. You were a wonderful jury to work with. You were punctual. You were attentive.
Okay, so there's no other way for this to have gone down, to be honest, in our court system. Every piece of the evidence showed it was self-defense. They chased him down. They attacked him. You had convicted sex offenders, the first guy that died, trying to grab his gun. He's not allowed to have a gun anyway. As a felon and a sex offender, there's no other way for any of this to have gone down other than not guilty. That's what happened. Not guilty. So the next step is the media is in big trouble, because all of these people were spewing all this stuff that were non-factual, slandering Kyle Rittenhouse before the trial to try to sway juries and try to sway the sentiment against him and try to influence the court of law, which is a big shame. You had people trying to tamper with the jury. You had people following the jury. You had people doxing the jury because they knew very well that he was innocent. And this is what should have happened. This should have never been brought to court in the first place. All the facts. If you're not blind, all the facts say it was self-defense. There's no other way this could have gone down. So he's not guilty. He can move on with his life. He's going to make a lot of money because he's going to be suing some people. He's going to be suing a lot of people for slander. There's that magma hat guy. He kind of did the same thing. He got lots of money when they slandered him, when the media slandered him. It's going to be the same thing all over again. The media lied from the beginning. The media tried to make it about something else. The media changed the facts of the case to try to fit their narrative. And it all came out in court, and all these people were trying to retract and say, oh, but now it's too late. You defamed the man, you're going to get sued, you're going to pay up. Kyle Rittenhouse is going to get rich, he's going to move on with his life. And you know what? More power to him. He did what he had to do. Is it tragic? Absolutely. Did people have to die? No. But guess what? You don't chase a man with a gun and try to hurt him and try to take his gun. You just don't do it. You asked him to get shot, and you got shot, and you got what you deserved. You shouldn't have been there riding in the first place, and you damn sure when he ran away should have let him be. Nobody would have got hurt if you would have let him be. But you had convicted sex offender criminals. You had the other guy that died was also a criminal. And then you had Grosskreut, which was carrying a gun illegally. Actually carrying the gun illegally. Rittenhouse was carrying the gun legally. And Grosskreut was carrying the concealed gun with an expired concealed gun license, which means he shouldn't have had it in the first place. And there you go. Not guilty on Kyle Rittenhouse. Another victory for 2A and defending your rights. Much love all. We're out of here.